everyone, it's Lisette here from Sweet Girl Farms. I'm going to do a seed unboxing. These are always exciting. I got more seeds. I'm going to be growing more tomatoes for my late summer, early fall production. I know it's unusual and it's odd, but I'm going to do a test for some of these. There's some varieties of tomatoes that I have planted that are determinate, so they're gonna run out eventually, and that's no bueno because I want tomatoes for all summer long, and I feel I can still get another some other plants growing and be just in time before the first frost hits. So let's do the unboxing, and then if you guys have questions, then you can let me know. I did a planting of cucumbers last year, super late into the season. I think it was like August, and I still got some cucumbers from them in like November or December, I think. So that was really cool. So I'm gonna do that with tomatoes, and I'm gonna do it with cucumbers again. I already did a planting of cucumbers, so if you come to the fruit stand, you're gonna see them. They're directly behind the fruit stand. There's an entire row of cucumbers, so you'll see those in production, and I might do another planting of those so that I have enough to carry us out into the summer and early fall, maybe even early winter, depending on how early or late we get our frost here in Reedley. Okay, so I have my list of all the things that I got. Let's go through them. The first thing, I'm going to be planting my green beans, so I'm going to be doing that, and hopefully I can get those maybe in like a couple months or so, and we'll have those coming in. The one variety of tomato that I really like is this tomato called Champion, and I'm going to be growing that one. That one I get a lot of my seeds from True Leaf Market. The other tomato that I'm gonna explore with is the Goliath. So it's a huge cucumber. It's a hybrid, so I'm pretty sure it has good disease resistance. The Champion 2 hybrid is the one that I currently have. It's the beefsteak you guys have been buying, and it's been selling out. Beefmaster hybrid. This is a new variety. The Goliath and the Beefmaster are a new variety to me. Ooh, what are these? Tomato persimmon. This is a yellow tomato. I had some last year and they would sell out, and I was really intrigued and mesmerized by the yellow orangey color that it had, and I'm gonna do it again. So if you guys are a fan of those, then I'm gonna have them hopefully by the end of the summer. Rio Grande, the plum tomato, selling out like crazy, so I'm gonna plant more of those, maybe like another, yeah, I don't know how much actually. I'm not gonna say how much because I don't know. Large red cherry tomato. So this is another variety. I have the sweet 100s and another variety of cherry tomato right now, and I saw this one in True Leaf Market and it said like a large cherry tomato, so I gravitated towards that because roasting them tastes so good. Yeah. Sun Sugar hybrid. This one, it's like an orange cherry tomato, and it said in the description that it's like super sweet. So now I want to try it. I have the Sun Gold cherry tomatoes that are slowly coming in. I'm gonna test those out for myself because I haven't tried none of like those tomatoes, but it said sweet. So when I for the Sun Golds, and for the Sun Sugars it said super sweet too, so I was like, oh, I like that. I'm gonna have those. And Big Beef, I'm growing this one right now and it's really good. So what I'm looking for in my tomatoes is for the beef steaks in particular is that they hold up to all the handling in terms of like picking and then putting them in the box and making sure that they stack well together, so that they don't squish. That's what I look for, so that once you get them as a customer, then you have something that's still gonna last you a while and it's not all mushy, because I don't like the ones that get all mushy. Even though they're vine ripe, once they make contact with each other, they tend to leave their mark, and yeah, I have an issue with that. So that's what I got for this shipment. I'm going to be growing more zucchinis, and I'm still waiting for my seeds on. And I already did another row of zucchinis right behind the farm stand. So if you come to the farm stand, then you'll notice that's what's growing there. And I have 2 beds of flowers. So I'm going to show you right now in detail all the seeds again, and we'll come back. Alright everyone, so I'm going to be showing you in detail with all the varieties and the variety names. So in terms of the green bean, this is a pound's worth. It's a really good amount. I don't know how many seeds I get, but I know it's quite a lot. And then the variety name is Harvester. So I'm going to be testing that one out. The Goliath hybrid. The reason I got this one, it's because it said that it's really large beefsteak tomatoes. So I realized that a lot of customers want large tomatoes for like sandwiches, burgers, and I'm gonna test this one out. I'm curious as to the size. The next one is the Champion hybrid. So this one I've been growing right now, and it's really good. It ripens really nicely, and it has a medium to large size fruit. The Big Beef, same thing. I'm growing this one right now, and I'm really enjoying it. I need to double check on these varieties. I believe I got indeterminate tomatoes. So this one's new to me, so I really don't know how this one is going to grow and taste. It says Beefmaster hybrid. And then this is the yellow variety that I was talking about. It's called the persimmon variety. The packaging is so pretty. This is nice. Premium, high-grade seeds for the garden, farm, field, and more. Oh, okay, this is cool. Guaranteed to please. Okay, I'm happy about that. So I'm hoping that this one's really good. I wonder what's covering here. Okay. The next one, Rio Grande. This is a plum variety of tomato, and it holds up really well. It's good for the salsas and the rice and soups and paste. Yeah, like tomato paste. This is the Sun Sugar hybrid that I'm talking about that attracted me. Just like a sun gold in color, but I don't know the flavor or the sweetness of it, so I'm going to test this one out. And then the last one is the large red cherry. This is a cherry tomato. It attracted me because it said that it's a large size of cherry tomato, and I'm really looking forward to testing that one out in our foods. Okay everyone, so that's it for the tomatoes. I don't have the prices with me, otherwise I would let you know on what I paid for each of the seed varieties. And most of them I got, okay, like the large cherry, I got an ounce. That's a lot of seeds. But on most of them, on the Rio Grande I also got 1 ounce. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, a quarter of an ounce. Okay, so on most of them I got 100 seeds. 100 seeds goes a long way for me because the land that I have is somewhat limited. And then on the green beans I got a pound. Okay, so I would tell you the prices, but I don't have them with me. But I do get my seeds from True Leaf Market. It's a good source, and I really like the varieties of tomatoes that they have available. And I'm growing some of their tomato seeds right now, or tomato plants right now that I got from their seeds. So it's a good source for veggie seeds, herb seeds, and all kinds of stuff. I think they have flowers and microgreens as well. But I get my flower seeds from elsewhere, and got some herb seeds from them too. And I'm trying to expand the herb garden. Alrighty guys, well that's it for today's unboxing. I hope that this is something that you guys enjoy. I personally enjoy unboxing stuff, so regardless, I'm gonna keep doing this because it brings me a lot of joy. I'm gonna have another shipment of seeds soon, and then we can do an unboxing of those zucchini seeds. So yeah, so look out for that video. But thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions on anything to do with the tomato seeds that I got, let me know, and then maybe I can do an update video on how they progress through the season and how successful I am in having a late harvest of tomatoes. Yes, that will be exciting. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.